In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link HoYoverse account to PlayStation 5 Honkai Star Rail. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage your Honkai Star Rail progress and transfer a pre-existing HoYoverse account to PlayStation 5, or link your PlayStation account that already has progress to HoYoverse. That way you can keep your progress and synchronize it across all devices. So first, I'm going to showcase the option if you have never played Honkai before. When you open it for the first time on a PlayStation console, you should see a message like this. It will give you the option to create a new HoYoverse account or link a pre-existing account. So if you previously played on PC or on a smartphone and you already have progress that you would like to keep, so you want to keep your trailblazing level, you already have all of your units and so on, choose the option already have an account. This will allow you to sign in using the HoYoverse credentials, and after it is done, it will automatically link your account to the PlayStation Network account that you are signed into. This way, you will be able to keep track of your progress and you have to sign in using this PlayStation account. If you choose the option at the bottom, you will be creating a HoYoverse account, and once again, by the end of this process, it is going to be set up and automatically connected to the PlayStation Network. If you have already seen this menu in the past, or if the game simply starts and doesn't give you these options, then what you have to do is progress through the game, link the account to any random email, and then you have to delete or unlink the account. I'm going to be talking about this at the end of the video. The second option is if you have already made progress by playing on the PlayStation 5, and now you want to link it to a HoYoverse account to back up your progress and synchronize it across all devices. Open Honkai Star Rail, sign into the account that you will be linking, click on the settings icon when you open your phone, and then under the account category, you will find the User Center. Go to the User Center, and in here you can link this Honkai Star Rail account that already has progress to a new HoYoverse account. So you choose the option to link, input the email address, send the verification code, and then create your password. Read and agree with the terms and link. Now, with this HoYoverse account created, you can now sign using this account on a smartphone, on a PC, a laptop, and your progress from PlayStation will be transferred over. Now, as I've said in the beginning of the video, if you already have a HoYoverse account that has progress, but you don't see this pop up when you start the game, then progress through the game until you see the option to pick up your phone. Link your HoYoverse account to a fake email address. Make sure that you are using a secondary email address or you will lose your progress. After this is done, go into the website where you can manage your account through a web browser on your PC or laptop and unlink the PlayStation Network account. There will be a button to unlink it here. After this is done and you relaunch Honkai Star Rail, now you will see this menu, and then you simply have to do the basic steps of choosing already have an account and then signing in. This is only going to be needed if you don't see this menu the first time that you enter Honkai Star Rail on your PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to link HoYoverse account to PlayStation 5 Honkai Star Rail. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.